1928, when explorer Joseph Rock first entered the Lhasa forests of Tibet, he wrote in his journal, "Under a clear sky, snow-capped peaks towered majestically above. This is the most beautiful snow mountain I've ever seen." Later, he published his photos in National Geographic magazine in America. The first image was light from the novel Lost Horizon. The second image was also from Lost Horizon, Lhas's outdoor hot springs. This mysterious utopia has always captivated our souls and endless yearnings. Under blue skies and white clouds, colorful prayer flags dance in the wind. Blue symbolizes sky, white clouds, red fire, green water, and yellow earth. Each fluttering flag is like a prayer, carrying people's wishes to the divine. In the center, a majestic white tower, the Harmony Stupa, stands gracefully. This is the world's largest Tibetan Buddhist structure. It's a key symbol of Tibetan Buddhism and a Shangri-La landmark. Subtitles by Amara.org community. The first rays of sun illuminating this mystical land. This is our monastery, built at 3,300 meters in the Master's Center. It's the largest Tibetan Buddhist monastery in Yunnan. This is it's the largest Tibetan Buddhist monastery in Yunnan. Next year, the full Buddhist sutra I truly think it's worth it. 220 kilometers north of Songzanlin Temple is the Yading along County Road 219. Dense golden forests dazzle the eyes. Through the Shangri-La tunnel, as the vehicle slowly enters the Aden Mountain observation deck, the majestic view of the sacred Aden Mountain gradually becomes clear. It's early November in Daocheng Yading, the most brilliant time of year. In this land known as the last Shangri-La, fresh milk, sheep grazing and late summer abound, making these days truly auspicious. The divine manifests itself upon my land as if all the joys turn and come to my side. In the lofty mountains of the Aden Nature Reserve at 4,500 meters, Weng Tso is like a bright pearl nestled in the mountains. Sadly, 99% of tourists pass by this mysterious sea without notice. Standing here, you can take in the panoramic view of the three sacred mountains. This sea is the heart of the moving clouds over Kinabalu city. The road to this fierce land is not for the greedy. It's a humid metropolis. Trekking from Shangsumen Gate to Onkuo, the elevation sharply rises from 4,130 to 4,745 meters. The sea is blank on all sides, accompanied by clear forests and babbling streams. The three sacred mountains stand in a row amidst golden rainbows and gentle snow-capped peaks in the mountains and forests. We finally stand before this coveted highland sea. Smoke billows from the snow-capped mountains, pure and flawless.